Sometimes in life, it feels like all the doors are shut. You try one way, and it does not work. You try another way, and it also does not work. At that moment, it feels like you are lost in the dark. But it is exactly in that moment, when everything looks impossible, that miracles can happen. When you cannot see any path, do not stop. Just take one small step. Even a tiny step can create a new way forward. Suddenly, you will see a road that was not there before. Later, when you look back, you will think, how did I do that? I am not a genius. I am just a normal person. And yet, you succeeded. You overcame the difficulty. Problems are not always real. Many times, what we call problems are only illusions. They feel big, heavy, and scary. But when you start walking through them, they become smaller. As long as you are alive, there is always a way out. Life always offers some door, some chance, some opportunity. History shows us that people with nothing often achieve the most. They face hunger, poverty, and danger. But from that empty place, miracles are born. Why? Because when you have nothing left, you find a new strength inside. Some call it courage. Some call it creativity. Some call it God's hand helping you. When life is too easy, when life is comfortable, we usually don't push ourselves. If you already have food, money, and safety, you do not feel the need to fight or create. But when life suddenly blocks you, when you feel stuck, that is when you discover your hidden power. Think of a man who fell into a pond full of crocodiles. He came out running, breathing hard, and the first thing he asked was, "Who pushed me in?" The funny part is this: nobody needed to push him out after he fell. He ran faster than ever before, because he knew he had to survive. In that dangerous moment, his brain worked faster, his body was stronger, and he found the miracle of survival. Necessity creates invention. There is an old saying, necessity is the mother of invention. This means that when you really need something, your mind becomes sharp and creative. For example, a hungry person will invent new ways to find food. A poor student will invent smart ways to study without books. A sick person will find strength to fight for health. When you have no choice, your true abilities come out. You may not believe it now, but you are much stronger than you think. The human mind is remarkable. The human brain is one of the most amazing things in the world. It has the ability to solve even the hardest problems. But the brain is also lazy. When life is easy, the brain likes to sleep. It does not want to think too much. But in a moment of life and death, the brain wakes up. Suddenly, you can see solutions that you never imagined before. Think of exam time. Many students wait until the last night to study. Suddenly, their brain remembers many things. Why? Because the pressure wakes up their power. In the same way, when life gives you a big problem, your mind will surprise you with new ideas and simple solutions. Do not fear challenges. Challenges are not enemies. They are teachers. Every challenge you face is a chance to refine yourself, to make yourself stronger and wiser. A person who never faces difficulty will remain weak. But a person who accepts challenges learns courage, patience, and hope. If you fall down, get up again. If one door closes, look for another. If the road ends, create a new road. This is the true art of living, to keep moving forward, even when you are afraid. Small stories of miracles. Let us look at some simple stories that show how miracles happen when life is hard. The farmer's stone. A poor farmer once hit a stone while digging. He felt angry because his tool broke. But when he cleared the stone, he found gold hidden under the ground. The problem was actually a blessing. The blind singer, a young boy, lost his sight. At first, he thought his life was finished. But because he could not see, he listened more carefully. His hearing became very sharp. Later, he became a famous singer. His problem created his success, the empty notebook. A student went to school but had no books. He felt sad. Still, he started writing his lessons on empty paper. Slowly, he created his own book. That book helped many other children later. His lack of resources made him creative. These stories remind us, difficulties are not the end. They are the beginning of something new. How to face closed paths when you feel stuck. Remember these steps. Stay calm. Fear makes problems bigger. Breathe and wait. Take one step. Do not wait for a full plan. Start with something small. Believe in solutions. Tell yourself, there is a way. I will find it. Learn from the moment. Every hard time teaches you something. Trust life. Life has a strange way of helping those who do not give up. Miracles are within you. Many people think miracles come from outside, like magic. But the truth is, miracles often come from inside you. Your courage, your mind, your faith, and your effort create them. The day you feel everything is lost, look inside yourself. You will find a fire that you did not know before. That fire will guide you. Final thought: life is not always easy. Sometimes paths close, doors lock, and roads disappear. But remember, this is the time for invention. This is the time for miracles. Do not fear problems, they are only tests. They are illusions that can be broken. When life pushes you into the crocodile pond, run with all your strength. When you feel poor, lost, or weak, trust that a hidden power will rise. That power is already inside you. Never stop, never give up. Every closed path hides a new road. Every problem hides a miracle. Every end is really a beginning.